Well, I'm not sure how well you can see it, but there is lots of green in that oil I'm draining, which is never a good sign. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Jordan. This is my YouTube channel. This is another episode of Behind the Scenes from the shop. Today I start the teardown and inspection of the two-seat turbo car that I raced at King of the Hammers. As you saw in the race recap video, and if you haven't seen those yet, I'll link those in the description. Just wasn't our year at Hammers. The four-seat car had gremlins. We had a gremlin that we solved early and then had a mechanical failure. So today I start working on trying to figure out what that mechanical failure was. All right, so I just drained the oil out of the oil pan of the motor, and it looks like another motor failure. And this one's truly boggling because this was a brand new crate motor. Had about 40 really good test miles on it and went about 140 miles in race condition until I didn't want to go anymore. So now I get to pull a motor, pull a transmission, and tear the car completely down. The clutch is off, the inner housing off, and the throttle body with the LCAC in it, and it is not supposed to do that. So throttle body is full of coolant, which means possibly pop the LCAC, which is the intercooler. So I'm going to get the transmission pulled, because that thing took a pretty gnarly hit. Frustrated and disappointed is about the best way I can describe how Hammers went, and it's heartbreaking when you get back to the shop and start tearing stuff apart and, you know, find stuff like that. I mean, an intercooler cracking or popping that's just bad luck. That's just something happened internally, and it didn't like it. So let's get the tranny pulled and go from there. Issue is try to get the lighting right for you. Got a massive leak of transmission fluid. I can't tell if it's coming from around the plug, but I've also got it up in here, so there's damage to the case. So that's definitely going to have to come out and be addressed. Starting to tear down the two-seat turbo car, getting all the plastics off. I got all the primary suspension components off, shocks and arms and that kind of thing, just inspecting things as I go. Pulled the transmission, It had a small leak, and then ended up figuring out what was wrong. What took us out of the race was a leak in the intercooler, or the LCAC. So got a new LCAC into the throttle body. Goal today is to get the throttle body back onto the motor, get the coolant filled and bled, and fire this thing up and try to get her warmed up to do a compression. Did a compression test on the motor from King of the Hammers, and the motor's got to come out. Losing the intercooler, the motor ingested a ton of coolant, so something internally didn't like that. So really low compression on the motor, which kind of sucks. Truthfully, kind of getting tired of pulling motors. But I'm going to get this motor pulled today. And get it to Reno Cycles and Gear for those guys to open it up and see what's going on. So I got the motor out, everything related to the motor out. Gonna do some cleanup of the back end here and just check everything out, inspect everything, make sure everything's good to go. And then I'm gonna move on to some wiring. So at King of the Hammers, in qualifying, when we took a nasty hit, we lost all accessory power, which means basically everything that wasn't hooked to a factory harness quit working. All the accessory power off this car and the other car is run off a switch panel, and it appears that switch panel failed. Something to do with the impact. Not exactly sure. So after I do some cleanup on the back end here, I'm going to start tearing into that and probably start rewiring the car. So got all of the old wiring torn out, got the motor pulled, started rewiring everything to the new Switch Pro. Yeah, lots to do. By my math, I think we're 5 weeks-ish away from the next race for this car, which will be the NorCal Stampede at Prairie City with Ultra 4. So super, super stoked for that. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, see you in the next one.